There we go.
Phew. All right, guys, we're already here. It's starting. This is it. This is, of course, Pepsi. Technically, its full name is Pepsi Cola. It's even written as Pepsi Cola here. So we've decided to conduct an experiment within an experiment. Let's see what comes out of this. We've never done such a massive experiment with Pepsi before, especially never inside an apartment. Let me show you a quick room tour. So we have a toilet here. You see, it's so pretty. Here's the bathtub. Well, they've blocked it off here. And the bedroom. In short, it's a full-fledged 2-bedroom apartment. All right, what do you think will happen to this apartment? What are your thoughts?
I don't know, but at the very least, the ceiling is going to be ruined. That's for sure, 100%.
I don't know. I think I'll just poof, poof, poof.
Diman, I think the most incredible thing has already happened today.
The reaction will be so strong that even if we sit on the couch, it will float all the way into the hallway and
Like on a
float
boat.
further.
Did everyone take oars?
Into the open. Into the picture there. Right there.
In any case, all the lights fixtures will be gone, the TV will be gone.
It's raining outside. We wanted to conduct the experiment here in the apartment to avoid getting wet, but it's going to be a disaster anyways.
Steve, why are you on the floor?
Everyone else is standing and I'm comfortably settled here. I'm opening the cola, pouring it so I can
It's
pass it
Pepsi.
later.
What's wrong with you?
It's Pepsi.
It's even written on the left. It's Pepsi.
Did anyone bring an umbrella? Anybody?
There's an
I
umbrella
have
over
it.
there.
No.
Right there.
In short, I suggest that right now, give me the umbrella. So guys, let's start pouring and, in essence, conducting the experiment.
Absolutely. It's cramped inside of the apartment. It wasn't meant for filling it with 1,000 liters of coca-cola.
Today, in this video, you'll see a fountain of 1,000 liters of Pepsi. But I think at this moment, no one has even made a fountain out of just 1 liter of Pepsi inside an apartment. So while the guys are working on that, we're going to goof off just a little bit and conduct a couple of experiments. The first one is just a Coke fountain inside the apartment. For this experiment, we'll need Mentos. And I apologize to everyone.
You're really doing it right now?
I'm doing this already.
Guys, get down!
Oh, my
come
butt!
on, seriously.
Whoa!
In principle, I think after the main experiment, there won't be much to clear up, just a bit of sweeping, and that's it. I think that should do it. Everything else is fine.
All right, now I have another experiment in store for us. We need to go to another room, to the toilet. Yes, I want to do exactly what you're thinking. I want to conduct an experiment with Pepsi and Mentos right in the toilet. We'll be dropping Mentos into the toilet bowl. I think this is the most unconventional thing that has ever ended up in a toilet. I have one last pack of Mentos right here. All right, I think that this amount of Mentos should be more than enough. And now, we will fill the tank with Pepsi. I never thought this would happen in my life. Okay, we shall now return the toilet to its original state. And of course, we must screw on the lid. Everything has to be authentic. Pepsi, toilet, Mentos. No one has definitely seen anything like this before. Who wants to see this?
We're already watching.
Ah! Oops. Something went wrong. I got really scared. All right, just a little bit short.
What's the point of launching 1,000 liters of fountains then?
Can't get cooler than this.
I think that I might have wet myself a bit. Well, I have a few more experiments that should work. Ones that have never before been done in an apartment.
In principle, there's not much left. We've poured about half. It's more than half already, man.
For the next experiment, I will also need a bottle of Pepsi. Pepsi, you know? I almost said cola again. And this construction.
Oh, darn
What's
it.
happening?
Oh, sorry about that, Vova.
Oh, it sounds like fun.
Let's go. Let's go.
What
Come
are you
on,
doing,
of course.
Boba? Are you okay?
Attempt number 2. Closing it up. Carefully. Build up the pressure in the bottle.
Maybe we shouldn't.
We should.
Maybe we shouldn't?
Now, let's shake it up really well and put it in the microwave.
What?
What?
This is going to be crazy. Ta-dam! And here we go! So you understand, right now, this thing should inflate
It's already inflating. Terrifying.
and explode. Just in case, I'll put on a raincoat. It already smells like caramel.
It could burst at any moment. Incomprehensible.
Umbrella.
Terrifying. Whoa. Smells pretty strong.
Yeah, it smells like burnt sugar.
I'm feeling scared. But Pepsi is sugar-free. Why does it smell like burnt sugar?
Actually, yeah.
Where is that sound coming from?
Yeah, I guess it kind of works like that.
Oh.
What was
It
that?
started
What was
the
that?
reaction. On the bottle. On the bottle.
Yes,
coming
it's
out.
inflating.
Ah,
Ah!
it's moving. Ah! It's moving. Incomprehensible. It's
moving. What's happening?
It's moving.
I can't see anything. Igor.
Oops. Guys, look at that. Look, the microwave. Oh, my
What the hell?
God. I just turned my head.
It opened the microwave. It's going to fly out now and mess everything up.
Max,
Ready? Yeah!
go for it. Again.
Hit it with the blade. I got it. Oh, that was
Oh
it.
my god. You got it? You got it?
We are smarter than cola.
Pepsi.
So,
Oh yeah.
second attempt. Honestly, it's not scary at all the second time.
Let's
it's
do
going
it.
to explode
the
now.
bottle has expanded a lot, and now the reaction is about to happen.
Oh!
Whatever it may be.
Oh yeah.
What was that just now?
It came out again. It popped. The microwave popped too. Oh my gosh. Yup, cola's flowing here. It's Pepsi. Oh, the meal is served, guys.
So, if you put Pepsi, like this, in the microwave, it'll really just
It'll boil
open up.
inside the bottle. We need to start filling the Pepsi barrel soon because the gases are venting. We need to hurry up and move on to the main experiment as fast as possible.
Oh,
What was that?
a nuclear explosion.
Close the door. The guys are still pouring, so there's very little left. But as a finale, I think it's worth showing one of the most interesting experiments that will definitely work. This is cola with propane. It's a rocket. I really want to see how it flies in the room, and maybe it'll even break something. Let's see what happens. So, here we go!
Oh my
What?
God!
Where's the bottle?
You probably didn't get any of that. It was a rocket. I don't know if you could see anything on the camera, but it flew really cool.
Can you do it again? Oh! 1, 2,
Ready?
Oh my God, it splashed right in my ear.
It just went right through the ceiling.
There's a little hole.
I think we don't need to do anything else here because right now we're going to blow up the whole place before the main experiment. Is
All
all
right,
the
it's sat
Pepsi?
down.
Is all of it filled?
2 bottles left. The last 2 bottles. We just need to pour vinegar, and the barrel will be completely filled.
And now the most exciting moment for us is when we start pouring in the baking soda. With that contraption over there, we'll set everything up and pour it in. Anyways, let's set up the barrel, guys. It's very heavy.
Come on, grab onto it. Oh man, this is heavy, man. Don't do that.
You see there, the pipe is hitting the chandelier.
This is really intense. We're going to pour in the baking soda now. This is my first time witnessing the cola reaction. Well, with baking soda that is. I don't know how it'll be. I've always wanted to see this live.
Show me the top leg. Let's straighten it, shall we? Give me the wrench. Let's go.
Give me the bucket. It'll be faster.
So what's left? The baking soda is in, the contraption is set up, we just need to cut the string, and then there will be boom. So guys, all the cameras are on, and the guys are in another room watching the live stream. Calmly. At the moment, when Alex and I are gonna cut this damn thing, as usual, typical.
We're watching from
We're
here.
waiting for the fountain.
We'll be safe while they're all the way
Every
over
year
there.
we want a fountain. A good fountain.
So is everyone ready? 1.
I have no idea what's going to happen here. Caught it. Wait.
Man, that's terrifying.
I'm going closer here. Let's just do it and run. Everyone,
Let's-
1.
Is everybody ready?
Let's go faster.
3.
Everything's okay? It's cutting. Yo, are you going to cut it for a long time there?
Oh!
Oh my God! Darn it! Seriously? Whoa, insane!
Unintelligible.
Just
How?
insane!
How are you guys feeling, huh?
Unbelievable!
It almost killed me.
Just unbelievable!
I'm not shaking my hands. They're shaking on their own. Everything is I'm completely shocked. It's insane. I'm so surprised on what happened. Do we have slow motion? And I was watching the stream and I just turned my head and there was a stream from here to here.
Guys, just look at how much cola.
It's not cola, it's Pepsi.
Maybe it's it's Pepsi. It's probably about 5 centimeters deep, maybe.
They're floating.
All over the
Look,
apartment.
the light fixtures.
Yeah.
Over there.
It's like after a war. Look, guys, what are you doing here?
It's electricity.
A boat is floating.
Yeah!
Where? Unbelievable. Oh, unintelligible. Whoa, burnt out. Oh, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. All of it. Turn it off.
So, we've lost power. This is a total disaster here.
Just unbelievable! The sun's out too. Hey, where are the curtains, guys?
Guys,
I guess it's nighttime then.
In principle, I think after the main experiment, there won't be much to clear up. Just a bit of sweeping, and that's it. I think that should do it. Everything else is fine.
Unbelievable. There was an aquarium here with water and fish. The fish are still here, but there's no water. Well, these are robofish. Yes, it put out the candle. Surprisingly, it moistened the napkins. In short, it's complete madness. The sink is completely
It's still
filled with water.
standing.
And Jenga! We set up Jenga thinking it would fall, but nothing happened to it at all. Well, at least not yet. Yeah! Never do anything like this at home. Now you know what will happen to your apartment if you try something like this at home. It will explode, flood the neighbors, everything will burn,
from the top
light
and the
bulbs
bottom.
will burn out, all the electricity,
wiring.
everything will catch fire. A disaster. Fortunately, everything we did here, we did it ourselves because
happy.
we are professionals. We're alive!
Yeah.
Except for the apartment. The apartment's not alive.